A research critique of learning achievement in solving word-based mathematical questions through a computer-assisted learning system. The authors of this study sought to determine whether a given computer-assisted mathematical problem-solving system could enhance learning and supplement remedial education. Participants in the study went through three main stages: a pre-test, computer-assisted tutorial session for members of the experimental group, and a post-test. The study took place in Hualien County, Taiwan. 28 subjects from 6th, 2nd, and 3rd grade classes were selected based on two criteria. First, the students were in the lower 25% of their class academically, and second, their parents agreed to let them participate. Prior to the subjects beginning the experiment, a pilot study was performed by 9 classes of 2nd and 3rd graders to determine the appropriateness of the questions being used in the study. To begin the experiment, students were divided into an experimental and control group. The experimental group worked with the problem-solving software after school. Following use of the computer-assisted learning system, all participants took a post-test. The experimental group also answered questions in a survey regarding the learning system. The premise behind this software is Poyla's mathematical problem-solving process, which focuses on process over outcome. The stages to this theory include 1. Understanding the problem, 2. Devising a plan, 3. Carrying out the plan, and 4. Looking back. Researchers found the program had success with low-achieving students, and it enhanced their willingness to use a similar program in the future. Students found the program easy to understand and preferred it to working with problems on a test sheet, viewing it as both interesting and enjoyable. The main points attributed to the learning system's success were the facilitation and use of problem-solving steps and implementation of pictures to assist understanding. The implications of this study are that educators should focus on process rather than outcome. Additionally, organization and planning better allow remedial students to implement a problem-solving system. Limitations of this study include the assignment of groups. The control group was determined by parents' inability to provide transportation. The lack of a treatment for the control group was also a flaw. Finally, the researchers included leading questions in the survey that may have created bias in the responses, and the data received was exaggerated when reported. In conclusion, while the design and implementation of this study had significant flaws, several strong points may be assumed. Establishing a plan enables students to better understand the art of problem solving. The program allowed for immediate feedback, which enhanced student members' ability to identify their problems. This was the case with the experimental group. And the skills proved helpful with students with lower achievement levels. Coupled with graphics for deeper conceptual understanding, these practices can help support remedial education. Thank you.